this is your boy Trillionaire Mac. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to be breaking down an entry that I took on EURUSD based on our analysis on yesterday. We're going to be going over why I entered, the confluences that went along with the trade, how I'm maintaining the trade, and what I'm also anticipating from this trade here. If you guys are currently in this trade, congrats to you all. If you're not, then we're going to talk about re-entry opportunities that you can take advantage of. Right now, I want you guys to sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Now, before we get started, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit that bell notification icon to be updated whenever I upload a new video, and please click that thumbs up button before we get started. All right, go ahead and do it right now. Much appreciated. Now, let's move forward. So this trade right here, now, of course, before I actually analyze the trade, I know you guys are going to be saying, how'd you catch that position? This, and that, and this. So I'm going to go ahead and show you all the position now. Okay, so here's the EURUSD position. I simply took it after a candlestick pattern on the H1 time frame. It's not something that I normally do, okay? But after this bullish engulfing candlestick pattern took place at my valid higher time frame zone, I used that as my entry for price to move to the upside. All right, so no drawdown on this trade whatsoever. Maybe this little wick here was a tiny bit of drawdown before price pushed into profit. All right, so let's go ahead and break down this trade. So we can see how on the H1 time frame especially, it was clear we have some type of supply up here within this region, right? So we have some type of supply, price trades into that supply, and we fail this supply here, okay? Then what happens? Then it pushes higher, and we finally take out that failed supply with this push to the upside, all right? So where did that demand come from? Where did that demand come from? The demand that broke this reaction here, okay, with this nice push to the upside, overall stemmed from this area here, because this was the last area that price sells before we see the buyers come into the market. And yes, we do come right back and tap into this region. So once we tapped back into this region, that is when I took my entry. Now, if you're not in this trade just yet, let me move this back. Actually, we can delete that for now. If you're not in this trade yet, no worries. We do have a very interesting point of interest here. Okay, so we have an area that runs on liquidity, we mitigate something to the left, and we break structure here. All right, so I am looking for price to return back to this area. As you guys can see, I have my alert set. Okay, and we can really take advantage of this area here. Now, those of you who have already purchased the course, which is quite a bit of you guys, thank you for the support, and be sure to leave an honest review. I've gone through some of the reviews yet. We haven't quite posted them just yet, but I'm thankful that you guys are leaving a review. It helps out tremendously. So if you do have access to the course, I want you to go look at liquidity points of interest theory and application, and then I really want you to take advantage of the setup that's forming here. All right, wait for price to tap into this region, and then use the information that is within that course video to take advantage of this area. If you're someone that is having trouble simply taking advantage of price exactly how it is, right? So in this case, my stop was around, I think my stop was 7 pips. Okay, so I just put my stop below this candle here, and at the peak we were up around 6%. Currently we're up around 5%, and this is a risk-free trade, and I'm looking for around 14% on this trade. So not bad whatsoever. We can place that back there. Okay, after my entry signal, simply just entered, put my stop below. Okay, we are going to be adding more advanced content to the institutional trading course on a weekly basis. So those of you who do have access to it, do be expecting more content as it relates to entry signals, entry methods, things like that. All right, to go along with our entry method chapter. Okay, so I am looking to take profit up here within this area. All right, in preparation for possible H4 continuation sells within these areas here. All right, but until we reach those sells, we can take buys as long as we're under the 50% and as long as we're maintaining counter trend structure. All right, so with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Like I said, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit that bell notification icon to be updated whenever I upload a new video. Leave a comment, leave a like, and let me know if you guys do have any specific information that you guys want me to cover. We will be releasing quite a few educational videos this week, so stay tuned, be ready. I'll catch you guys. Peace.